Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share Instagram Reels on Facebook. Want to share your Instagram Reels on Facebook for more views? In this video, I'll show you how to post Instagram Reels on Facebook automatically or manually. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to enable auto sharing to Facebook. And to do that, just open the Instagram app and then go to settings by clicking on your profile icon and then click on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner and then go to accounts, like you see account center, and go to sharing to other apps. We're gonna just look for sharing or let's see Facebook, and here you're gonna choose Facebook and turn on share reels to Facebook. The second step is to manually share a reel to Facebook. And to do that, just go to your posted reel and tap, for example, I'm gonna go to my reel, a reel I posted, this one right here, and I'm gonna click on the three dots here, and you're gonna click on share to Facebook, as you can see, and choose your Facebook timeline or page. As for the third step is to post a reel directly on Facebook. And you can do that by downloading your reel on Instagram from Instagram and opening the Facebook app and go to Reels and tap plus to upload and add captions and hashtags and cover images before posting. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to share Instagram Reels on Facebook. This will help you get more views and engagements across both platforms. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.